Today I want to tell you about 5 YouTubers that you gotta follow if you want to grow on YouTube. Hey, I'm just an average guy, so I need all the help that I can get. We've probably all heard the big names like Tim Schmoyer, Brian G. Johnson, Nick Nimmin, Sean Cannell, and so many more. But I want to focus on 5 maybe that you haven't heard of. With the exception of one of them, all of these have less than 100,000 subscribers. But I personally find them to have some of the best content and some of the best encouragement for how to grow on YouTube. So, in no particular order, number 1, Nate over at Channel Makers. Channel Makers is just a great channel. It really focuses on the data like that comes straight out of YouTube analytics. And because it's based on data, it gives us real, undeniable truth about how channels grow on YouTube. I can't recommend it enough. Channel Makers is awesome. Number 2 is Film Booth. And the reason I like Film Booth is that it's like Channel Makers and video editing combined. It gets into the nitty-gritty of what actually works to make better videos. It shows what works and doesn't work with hooks. It shows what works and doesn't work with just the timing of the video, the style of the video. If you need to learn what really works with video editing, Film Booth is awesome. Number 3 is Ryan Walsh. I mean, honestly, I don't know why this guy hasn't blown up yet. His content is on par, if not better, than some of the names that I already threw out there. He really focuses on getting more views and making more money on YouTube. I mean, that's pretty much what we all want, right? So check out Ryan Walsh. Number 4 is the only one over 100,000 subscribers. And actually, it's got hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And that's Catherine Manning. Now, you've probably heard of her before, but the reason I want to mention her is because I kind of see her content as a lot different than all those other ones that I named. Her advice is just so practical. She gives like a behind-the-scenes look of being a YouTuber in pretty much every video that she makes. She's extremely forthcoming and down-to-earth. It's just a great YouTube channel. Finally, number 5 is the smallest out of all these. And actually, as of right now, I actually have more subscribers than him. Only by 2, but he'll catch up soon. And he's actually subscribed to this channel. Brian Warren. Man, I really suggest you check out his channel. It's not mostly YouTube advice per se, but it definitely relates. It's all about having the mindset of making money. It's all about working hard and being determined so that you can grow your business. And that's definitely applicable to YouTube. So check out Brian's channel. It's great. All right, those are my 5 recommendations. I want to hear what yours are too, though. Who are the people that you watch for encouragement on how to grow on YouTube? Leave a comment. I'd love to check them out. And also check out this video about how to get more views on YouTube. Go ahead and click it. I'll just wait right here.